Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Smart Learning. If you're learning French and looking for simple and fun ways to master verbs, you've come to the right place. Today we'll focus on the verb essuyer, which means to wipe or to dry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to conjugate essuyer and use it in easy sentences with English meanings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning, for more bite-sized lessons. Let's dive in. Essuyer is a regular verb that ends in yer. But here's the twist. It's part of a special group where the Y changes to I in certain forms. Let me show you how it works in the present tense. Notice how the Y changes to I in all forms except nous and vous. Remember this little rule, it's super helpful for verbs like essuyer. Now let's see essuyer in action. Here are a few beginner-friendly examples. Je essuie la table. Tu essuies tes lunettes. Il essuie le miroir. Nous essuyons nos mains après le déjeuner. Vous essuyez la vaisselle après le repas. Elles essuient le tableau avant la classe. Simple, right? Practice these sentences and try to create your own examples. It's a great way to reinforce what you've learned. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning French. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button to join our Smart Learning family. We post easy and fun lessons every week to help you master French step by step. Merci et à bientôt. See you soon. Subscribe to Smart Learning, new videos every week.